Iowa's only Democrat in Congress, Cindy Axne, sat with Planned Parenthood supporters. She wants to make sure that women continue to have the right to an abortion. Now, when the U.S. Supreme Court overturned the 1973 Roe v. Wade decision, it put abortion rights back to the states to decide. Arkansas Senator Tom Cotton, who's exploring a presidential run during a stop in Iowa, thinks that states are the right place to decide this.
On this question, I think there's not going to be 60 votes on either side of the issue for some time.
Anything.
Yeah, so I suspect this will continue to play out in our states as it is right now, and states will reach their own kind of consensus or compromise position. Now, there are issues inevitably that come up in Congress related to abortion. So, for instance, the Hyde Amendment for 40 years has prohibited the taxpayer funding of abortion. Joe Biden used to support the Hyde Amendment until about 2 or 3 years ago when it became unpopular in the far left of his own party, and now he wants to use your tax dollars to fund abortion. For as long as there's been legalized abortion in America since Roe v. Wade until the Dobbs decision, it was not protected in almost all cases by the Department of Defense and the TRICARE system. The Democrats want to reverse that as well. So there are certain areas where the issue obviously will come up and Congress will have to address it. Like every year we have to repass the Hyde Amendment as part of our spending bills. The Democrats tried to repeal it last year. They're trying to repeal it now. But because I don't see 60 votes in the Senate on either side of the issue in the near term, I suspect the issue will mostly play out in state legislatures.
And do you think is that going to be chaos?
No, our state legislatures debate deeply moral questions all the time. Some states have the death penalty, some states don't have the death penalty. People have very strong views on that, for instance, and that's the federalist system that our founding fathers envisioned. And in some ways you might imagine that it's better on these deeply moral questions to have states that can be very different. You know, California's pretty different from Iowa and Arkansas, reach their kind of own compromise position as opposed to having everything federalized at a single point of decision in Washington, whether that's the Congress or especially the Supreme Court.
Up next, the question about his future.